ever needed to ensure your numbers always lean towards the higher side. Mastering Roundup in Excel gives you that precise control. Let's dive into the powerhouse that is the roundup function in Excel. First, identify the cell containing the number you want to round up for our demonstration. Let's say it's cell B2 and it contains the value 12334. Navigate to the Formulas tab in Excel's ribbon. You can find the Math and Trig category, and within that, you'll locate the roundup function. Alternatively, you can simply type the function name directly into the formula bar. Now, let's build our roundup formula. The first part, or argument, is the number you want to round. Click on the cell containing your original number, which is B2 in our case, or type B2 directly after the opening parenthesis. The second argument tells Excel how to round up. This is the number of digits you want to round to. For example, if you want to round to the nearest whole number, you'll enter 0. So, after typing a comma, enter 0 and then close the parenthesis. Pressing enter will now transform your 1234 into 13. Notice how it rounded up, even though the original number was closer to 12. This is the core power of roundup. Want to round to 2 decimal places? Simply change that second argument to 2. For instance, if you had 45,678 in cell B3, entering equals roundup B3. 2 would give you 4,568. This is invaluable for precise financial calculations where rounding up ensures you always account for the maximum possible value. Whether you're managing inventory, analyzing financial data, or need to ensure every single unit is accounted for, the roundup function in Excel provides the robust numerical control you need to maintain accuracy and precision in your reports.